Hey there, it's Ian with Eagle Business Credit and Cashway Funding. Just a short video to talk about W-9s. What are they? What do we need them for? And how do you fill them out? Well, a W-9 is a form produced by the IRS which essentially gives your information to a company like a factoring company or a freight broker or anybody that needs your information confirming what you are as a business entity and your tax ID number. So it's really important that we get the right information for our file. Same goes for freight brokers. They will want that information from you. And we need to make sure it's correct day one so that they pay. So we'll take that information from you either in the form of an electronic W-9 or a handwritten printed one. Either works. And here's what you need to do. Either we'll provide you with the form or you can get one just by Googling IRS W-9. And you can download it straight from the IRS website here. And this is what the form looks like. It's pretty straightforward once you get used to it. And again, we get a lot of questions, so hopefully this helps. We're going to focus on boxes 1 through 7, filling out the numbers, and then signing it. It's worth pointing out that page 3 has some really good instructions going on line 1 and what this all means. So take a look at that if you do have some detailed questions, or give us a call, of course. But first off, let's see, what kind of entity are you? If you are a single member LLC, here's what you need to do. You would fill out this box here, single member LLC. And because you are the single member, the owner, box 1 is always going to be your name, not the business name, your name. And by the way, this box can never be blank. So as a single member LLC, put in your name, and then in box 2, put the business name or the name of the LLC. Check that box. Put in your address, line 5 and 6, and put in your EIN number, your tax identification number here. Then print it and sign it. Now, if you are a multi-member LLC, that's more than one member, more than one owner, you're going to check this box, so limited liability company. And you need to know what is your tax classification. If you're not sure, check with your CPA. You would have made an election as to how you want to get taxed as a multi-member LLC. And that may have been as a C Corp, as an S Corp, or as a partnership. Whichever it is, you need to put something in this box here. Say you're a partnership, you'd put a P. Now in line 1, you'd put the name of the company. So this is the LLC company name that you're putting in here. Don't need to put anything in line 2. Fill out your address. Nothing in line 7, don't need this box. And then you put your EIN number in here, print it, and sign it. That's what you do for a multi-member LLC. But say you're a sole proprietor. So this is the box, sole prop. And you would put, again, your name here. So that's you as an individual, because you are the sole prop. If you do have a DBA name as a sole prop, so you've filed something doing business as, put that business name in line 2. If you don't, just leave it blank. Now, as a sole prop, you're probably not going to have an EIN. You may, but if not, just put in your social security number. If you do have an EIN, put that in instead. You don't need both. And then print it and sign it. And last but not least, if you are a corporation, you may be a C Corp or an S Corp, then check one of these boxes and put the business name in line 1. Again, nothing in line 2. Fill out the address, put your EIN number, print it, and sign it. And that's it. So a W-9 needn't be daunting. It can be confusing. Hopefully this video has helped. But please do give us a call if you have any other questions.